excellent diamond on this platform. Good evening, world. My name is Ogunmola Lushola. I welcome everybody to this segment. Uh, I am very happy to have an opportunity to speak with everyone of us today. Once again, I welcome every one of us. I know many of us have been attending this first time you attended or you have been attending a webinar before. The people that package this webinar together is Life Changing Group. Life Changing Group is an international organization. What do we do? They sensitize and educate people on many areas. Number one, how everybody will be able to overcome the challenges of a financial problem. How to achieve what you think you can achieve with very fast in time. I'm so happy to have an opportunity. I'm so honored to be the person that will speak to us today. I know we have a lot of people that listen to us in outside country. I can see a lot of people coming from Australia, UK, UAE, Canada. We are very happy to have you in our midst. But before I'm going to continue, I want to give glory to Almighty God that gave me an opportunity. And my mentor, Mr. Tope Akinola, for giving me an opportunity to be the person I'm going to speak today. And then we have just 1 hour to discuss whatever anything we want to discuss here today. And I want everybody to just, if you are at your home, try and get a pen to jot 1 or 2 things down. Or after this program, we're going to send a link to you so that you can rewatch. But a link won't be as if you are listening to it live. My name is Ogunmola Lushola. I'm one of the active members of this organization. God used Life Changing Group and Mr. Tope Akinola to remove me from statistics of unemployed graduates. I finished my NYC 2014. After my NYC, I'm looking for what to do. Although somebody have been telling me about this kind of opportunity, but I did not give them a listening ear because I think what the person is telling me is wrong. But I keep on listening to him, but I don't follow the intention. I don't follow what the guy is talking about. Until one day I have a challenges. The moment I became a graduate, I finished, I went back home. That's when my father told me, Shola, I know how much I spent on you before you finish your high school. You know, some people high school in your side, don't ask me anything again. So I decided not to stay with him anymore. So I went to go and meet some of my friends. We rent apartments in Lassa Maja as a box cutter. So when we get apartments, a lot of challenges start setting. So one of my friends now called me, Shola, or Alpha, there is a vacancy in my office. Try and call me back so that I will give you full details on how to apply. But that day, I couldn't get common 100 naira in Nigeria currency to get a call card to call him. My friend have been telling me about this opportunity, which I'm about to share with you today. In that time, Shola, don't worry. I will pay your voucher fare. I will buy you whatever anything you want. Just let's go. But that day, I see, if I follow you, nothing will happen. If I don't follow you, nothing will happen. But if I follow you, I will win. So I followed the guy. I followed him. I listened to everything they want to say that day, but I'm not convinced. But what made me to be convinced of doing what I want to introduce to you today, I will share with you. So now, look at the topic of today. We are going to get how to earn 6 to 7 figure monthly in every continent of the world by using your laptop, your phone, your internet opportunity through FLP business model. A lot of people have been asking what's the meaning by FLP. Some people know the meaning of FLP. Once they hear FL, they will say it's not meant for them. I do like that too. But when I join this FLP, and I see the reason why you can be in Nigeria and earning money throughout the global. Check this map out. This is map of Nigeria at your side. If you are UAE, you can locate your map. But this is my own map. I'm presently live from Nigeria. This is my own map from Nigeria. But look at this. You can be in Nigeria and earn money in this country. You can be in Nigeria and earn money in another country. You can be in Nigeria and earn money in Brazil by using the method I'm about to share with every one of us today. Now let's go. What are the methods to use? This map of Nigeria. We need to first tackle your map first before you now go to international. If you are listening to me in Nigeria today, check your map out. According to the last census, we have more than 170 million of people in Nigeria. My mentor used to say, when I want to join this opportunity, he said, you are a copper, right? I said, yes. He said, if you are staying in Nigeria, you have this population and you are not earning 1 million naira per month, you never know what you are doing. I just laughed. I said, what did this man talk about? 1 million naira, 5,000 US dollars. Where you want me to get this from? You're talking because I'm not in Nigeria. Yeah, because of population. What do you concern me about the population? But when I join this opportunity, and I see that opportunities everywhere. Now, look at this map of Lagos. You are in Lagos, we have over 22 million in Lagos. You don't know that you can earn money in Oyo. You know that you can earn money in Borno, Yobe, Taraba, Benue. But this opportunity for you. Now, let me share my testimony with you. Before I'm going to call a lot of speakers that are going to speak to us today, people that are going to speak to us today, a lot of top people here. I have Pilot Violet Enaro, Mr. Akeju, a princess, and my mentor, and Miss Babani. And that's all the speakers that are going to speak to us today. But before calling them, we need to understand what they call level of awareness. Level of awareness is what brings somebody out from where people complain to where we have extraordinary people. If you check your slide from the beginning, look at this. It said a person doesn't earn 2 million a year because they want 2 million a year. Now look at this. The second one now said they earn 2 million a year because they are not aware what. Let me finish from your side. How to earn it in a month. The opportunity I'm going to share to you today will show you how you can turn your annual salary to your monthly salary. At least, by the grace of God, copy of FLP that I'm doing presently that I'm going to use Mr. Tope for. I'm going to show you a lot of testimony. For the past 1 year now, I never see any month that I receive less than 5,000 US dollars in Nigeria currency, less than 1 million naira. I never see any month that I collect less than that. I'm going to show to you if you are patient to listen to everything I'm about to say today. Now let's see the next slide. What am I talking about in our next slide? Look at this slide. We know this guy is Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. If you check what the guy said, he said most people never get wealthy. Most people remain stagnant. Most people complain of everything in their life because they are not trained to recognize opportunity right in front of them. From your own side, underline that word. Recognize opportunity. Many people complain in this life because they don't recognize opportunity. When you tell them anything, they will complain it. Robert Kiyosaki said something. He said, "Do you know the full meaning of poor? When they say somebody is poor, I know you know it. The meaning of poor means passing over opportunity repeatedly. You show them opportunity that will make them breakthrough. They will pass it over. They say it's not meant for me. You show them this, they will not meant for me." And then I came from a Christian background. This one I'm discussing today is not a religious organization. If you go to mountain of Monte, go and pray 40 days, 40 nights. Without taking a step, any miracle will not happen. If you are a Muslim brother, you pray. Without taking a step, any miracle will not happen. There's nothing that come and meet in your comfort zone except disaster. Underline that word. It's only disaster that come and meet anybody from where we are. It won't be our portion by God's grace. But look at this. People complaining because they don't recognize opportunity. Now, let's go. What's opportunity about to share? It's what I've been doing. For me to be earning double figure every month for the past 1 year, because I understand what they call e-world. What about e-world? We have e-commerce, e-banking, e-pharmacy, e-medicine, e-shopping. Many people complain that they sack people. It's not only in Nigeria, it's throughout the world. It will continue to be that. Before, you know how many people that work in bank? They reduce them now. A lot of people have reduced what they are doing. I remember one of my female mentors, he tell me this. He said, "Shola, I work in a bank. when they introduce ATM, all of them happy because ATM is going to relieve them. He said ATM lay all of them off. Look at what I'm about to say. Your government, in any country you are listening to me, your government will prefer to spend money on traffic lights than to collect traffic order. Underline that word. Traffic order will be complaining about salary. Traffic light will be telling you increase my salary. Traffic light will be fighting government. But traffic light can never complain. Inside the rain, inside the sun, it will be there. But look at this. E-pharmacy, e-medicine. I remember that time my father happened to be a medical doctor. When I'm very small, anytime anybody come and meet him, he would prescribe to them. He would tell them what to do. He will not write handwriting that they cannot read. Give it to them. They will go and give notes. Though notes will not give them their drugs. But when I grew up and I asked him, Daddy, why do you normally write jaga jaga handwriting? Why do you normally write handwriting that is not clear? He said, my son, if I tell them what they are going to buy, next tomorrow they will come and they will not come and meet me again. They will go and buy in pharmacies. Do you see? But now it's not like that anymore. There's nothing like consultants. If anything happens to you, you can go it online before you go and check yourself. You will know what's wrong with you. Now, e-shopping, email, e-dating, it happened. E-dating I thought to what? E-marriage. But the one that I follow most is e-learning. Children of nowadays, they learn very fast in front of computer than in the front of the teacher. They never pay 6 months salary. What do you think they will do? They never pay their 6 months salary and you want me to come and teach your daughter? I will say, all of you sleep. I don't have anything to say. But a lot of things are being replaced. But let's check this the next slide. This is Robert Kiyosaki. Look at the right, this side. The guy in this side, these people in this side, ES, they are the one that work most. They are the one that are supposed to deserve a good life. Because of the system they belong to, they don't deserve that. Look at this side again. People in this side, we call them passive. Because of what? Money is working for them. Look at people in this side, active. They are the one that are active most. They are working for money. Tell somebody beside you that money will work for you. Now, look at that. People in this side, they exchange their time and their effort with the money. People in this side, they are self-employed, they don't want to work under anybody. They organize their organization, they set it up, but they can't take 6 weeks holiday in their company, and their business will continue running. It can't be happening. If you check the guy in this side, the guy wears shirt, trouser, and jean. A jean, top shirt, and the guy is sweating. It's removing sweat from the face because he's working for money. The guy in this side put on suit and he's smiling because money is working for him. People in this side, we have big business owner. People that they have more than 100 people working for them. You know, to organize and they come that 100 people or 200 people working for you in your own country. You know how much you spend. Look at this kind of people that we have here. We have investors. People investors, they are the people that they have money working for them. Tell somebody besides, say God will make you an investor. Investors are the people that live a good life. They play golf, they read newspaper, and they enjoy their life because money is working for them. Now, look at this slide. I want everybody to read this slide together in your own side before I will not jump to, before I call people that will, my mentor to continue. Look at this. This slide said, if you are one of those people that believe on hard work and honestly will bring riches, perish those thoughts. It is not true. Riches come when they come in huge quantity and never be the result of hard work alone. But I like that word. And never be the result of hard work alone. If not to work together, it's people that do 4 jobs together in your country. They are the ones that are supposed to earn money most. But it's not like that. There is a science of getting rich and a science of getting poor. We won't poor by God's grace. Look at this slide. He said, when it's easy for those who will do this by themselves, and he exposed himself with the people that are ready to team up with others. When we team up, a lot of opportunity will happen. But when you want to do things on your own, nothing can ever happen. Look at this. This guy said, I would rather choose to earn 1% of 100 people's effort than 100% of my personal effort. Look what this guy is talking about. You are working for somebody. Somebody employs somebody. Oh, yeah, come and work for me. That person will buy our 8 hours. When you buy our 8 hours, you now said, okay, I'll pay you salary. We are working for 8 hours. We are collecting money for 8 hours. That money can never be carried expenses of 24 hours. It can never be enough. When I have 10 people working for me, 10 people are working for me, I pay them for 8 hours. 8 hours multiplied by 10 is what? It's 80 hours. That's the hours I'm using to work per day because I buy their hours. All those kind of people, we have a lot of people that are working for them. They have a lot of people, they buy their hours. That's why we have in Nigeria here. That's why we have Dangote, Otedola, Mike Adenuga. They buy many people's hours. If you know the story of one of the richest man in my country, Nigeria here, we call it Dangote. It's one of the top richest. The guy wrote a book. He said, you can work more than me. You can labor more than me, but you cannot have money like me. You know the reason why? He has over thousands of people that are working for him. Multiply 8 hours, multiply by 1,000. How many hours is that? But the system I'm going to show you today is a system that is a teamwork. You will be in your house, you'll be earning money. He said teamwork is a powerful force. Allows you to find new solution, new answer, and new opportunity. He said teamwork is a way that allows common people to produce what? Uncommon results. Look at Messi. You know Messi in your country. I know Messi in my country. Messi is from Argentina. He's played ball for Barcelona. He never leave Barcelona for a day. We know him. He's a very popular man. Look at what the guy wrote here. He said, I'm lucky to be part of the team who helped me to do what? To look good. They deserve a what? A much of the credit for my success. Look at what that guy is talking about. Look at the lion. He's running because there are too many for him. Lion is a poverty in your life. Lion is a poverty in my life. When you belong to a team, a lion will run. Subject the formula. Substitute this lion to a poverty. What will happen in our life? A lion will run. Now let's see. When I is replaced by we, even illness become what? Become illness. Now let's see. I want to show you the business I'm doing. It's a model of 21st century economical environment. It's not a model of industrial age era, but a model of traditional what? Marketing era. It's a model that affords you to move from where you are to where much better than that. And now I know I'm speaking to a lot of billionaires in this place. A lot of professors are listening to me right now and a lot of doctors. But I want to beg you in the name of God, don't listen to me like a doctor. You may not grab anything. Don't listen to me like a professor. You may not be able to grab. Pretend as if you don't know anything in order for you to grab a lot of things in this place. This model is what I've been using for the past 2.5 years. Mr. Tope Akola, God will bless him. He's the one that teach me and all the method that I have to use this method to fast track my journey. We call it relationship marketing. If anybody hear relationship marketing, they think they want me to come and be selling up and down. I studied electrical engineering in school. I have a very good grade. You can't expect me to be working up and down to be selling. But look at this. In your own country, I don't know, but in Nigeria that I'm speaking with you now, anything that have original must have a fake. If you do not see a fake of anything in Nigeria, that means the original did not exist. When you have a relationship marketing, people will say network marketing. I don't want to listen to it. I'll look at them. I don't want to sell. I don't want to sell. All the richest man we have on this planet, what are they doing? They are selling. Everybody is selling. In one, in two. Either you are selling your service or what? You are selling what? Service. You know the one you are selling. Either you are selling your product, you must have a product you are selling or service or all those areas. Now look at this. In my industry, I want to show you something that will blow your mind now. What I've been doing is forever living. You know it? They think you know forever. Many people will tell me, Shola, I know forever. I've done it before. It's not working. I will now look at them. Bible said this way, I want to use Bible to back it up. And I also use Quran. Bible said my people are perished because of the lack of knowledge. For anybody to be successful in this world, you need the right mentor to mentor you. When people say, I don't want to do it, though, I've done it before and failed, I will not just look at them and laugh. We know Muhammad. We know Jesus Christ. Both of them have products. Their product is salvation. When Jesus Christ comes to this world, hello, Saloma, what happened to Jesus Christ? He had 12 disciples. They kill him. People don't want to listen to gospel. It's only a few people that escape among them. But now look at this. The same Christianity they kill Jesus Christ and disciples. Some people now use the same Christianity to buy private jets now. They are buying limousine. They are buying it in that same Christianity. So that means Jesus Christ and the disciples has already laid a good foundation. Look at Anabi Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He has his own product. According to the scripture, they said the first time that Anabi entered Mecca, they pursue him. They don't want him to stay. But now look at this. I have an uncle from my mother's side. If he never go to Mecca, in a year, he never rest. Where they pursue the founder of that religion. How we earn money. When I tell people I'm earning $1 million, despite I show them the testimony, they will still be questioning. How is it be happen? When I show them somebody that earns $50 million in my industry every month, they will still ask me, how is it that possible? Now look at this. How much you buy your phone, man? How much do you buy the phone, sir? The phone that you bought, let's say you buy it 100,000 naira, but between me and you, that phone is not supposed to more than 5,000 naira. Look at this. When you buy your phone, the manufacturer, you buy the phone from manufacturer will send it to national distributor. They will add their money. Wholesaler will add their money. Self-house will add their money. They will do the advert. You that you are using MTN in Nigeria, or you are using Zoom in your own country, whatever any network you are using, they do advert of that network. People that are using MTN, can you tell me, is this Saka that convinced you to buy that MTN? No. I've been using that MTN before Saka advertised that. But they pay money, Saka. What are people that use Glow in Nigeria? They pay them because they are middleman. Now look at this. Look at this area. United wholesaler, self-house, and retailer. It's consumer that will bear the cost. But look at the forever that I'm doing. All this Ika that used to collect all the money. Consumer is the one that bear all this. All this money, we not say from forever to me as a distributor to consumer. All this money, almost 90,000 will be given to me. That's how people are earning money. Look at the monetary aspect of it. Consumer will pay factory, will pay distributor, and pay wholesaler. But look at the own side. You will collect everything from their own side. That's why we have the money. Look at the team building. You introduce somebody, my company will pay you. They will pay that person. The person that introduce another person, my company will pay a naval officer. Company will pay naval officer. Company pay police. Company also pay me. Between me and you, how many people that introduce just one and they pay me two? I introduce an engineer. Company pay engineer. Company pay naval officer. Lucy. Company pay a police officer. Company also pay me. Between me and you, how many people that I introduce? Just one, and I collected money from 4 places. Look at another way around. I introduce a nurse. Company pay nurse, company pay me. A nurse introduce another one. Company pay him, company pay nurse, company also pay me. And I introduce a banker. Company pay banker like that. Company pay nurse, company pay everybody. Between me and you, how many people did I introduce? Just 2. And I earn money in all those places. That's what they call teamwork. If you want to earn 2.8 million naira between 3 months in my industry, I will tell you. Oh yeah, listen to me. For you to start, we have a lot of package to start my industry. You can start with a small pack, we call it 1 case credit. You can start with a 2-pack, we call it 2 case credit. You can start with a diamond pack, which is 5 case credit. Case credit, I call it case credit, is a measurement they attach to the products that we have. My company, Forever Living, has over 450 products. Each of them, there's a one that you cannot do in a day that we will not use. You can't tell me you not brush. You can't tell me you not bath. You can't tell me if a human, you use shampoo, you use everything. I will show you the front. Out of that stuff, my company now said, pick anyone you like. If you start with 1 case credit, that is 75,000 naira for a start. When you start by that, you package what you have. They will give you the product that you want. You pay them the money to their account. They will now say, select any product you want. They will give it to you that more than the amount you pay. If you start with this level, I want to show you the bigger level. It's not really bigger. It's a small level, the area that I started. 135,000 naira. When I start with 135,000 naira, 135,000 naira, I pick any product that I want. This is me. And I introduce 5 of my friends. Or lesser than that. You can introduce 2. It depends on how they do you. Look at the 5 of them. Look at this. I do like that the 2nd month. Do you see? I follow my team to do the same. The 3rd month, I do the same thing. Now let's see. Let's see what happens within 3 months. Within 3 months, look at the money I'm showing you. I started with 135,000 naira. They pay me 150 because I introduced 5 people that can do exactly what I did. 2nd month, I collect 350. 3rd month, I collect 2.8 million naira. Look at the total profits that I have. 3.3. Look at the total investment. 280,000 naira. Now look at people that start with an higher level. Look at the 20 million naira. Within 3 months, I've worked it out.
You get it.
What I'm showing you now, I've worked it out. Hello, let me repeat myself. What I'm showing you, me, Ogumola Olusolare Milekun, I've worked it out more than 10 times. I have people that God used my mentor to build for me. They are not earning less than 1 million naira every month. This is the method they use. They build fast and consistency, win the race. Slow and steady can never give you anything that you are looking for. Look at this network of Jesus Christ. He had disciples. Why did Jesus Christ did not do it all alone? He had disciples. Jesus Christ gone first. After that, disciple gone, we have Christianity. Look at the Anabu Momo Saleh Wasala. He has his own disciple too. That's a team. They work together to achieve a goal. Now, expert that billionaire become relationship network marketing. Look at this slide. Network marketing. He said it's a growth business model in the world. Look at what Rich Dad said. He said, rich people in the world look for business network while other people look for job. Look at Brigade. He said, if I'll be given a chance to start all over again, I will choose what? Network marketing. Look at this man. You know it in your country. I know it in my country. We need to separate the message from the messenger. He said, if billionaires do and recommend network marketing, why won't you? Are you a billionaire? Look at Paul Pizzard. Known as a what? Economist. He's author of best-selling book. If you underline this word under, the guy is known as economic advisor for 2 US past presidents. If somebody is advising the economic of US, you know what I'm talking about indirectly. Look at this slide. Look at the summary of network marketing last year. You see, 167 billion US dollars. That's why they are shedding money. Warren Buffett, Brand Trace, talk about that. Les Brown, the same thing. Richard Branson, our own main man in Nigeria, Pat Tommy, he said, network marketing is the way to do futurist business now. Look at the female pilot. First female pilot in Afghanistan. You see, when people say, I don't have time, I'm busy. You can't be busy like a pilot. This is the husband one we have in Costa Navarino, Greece. Look at this. Who take advice about network marketing from those people that are not succeed? That person is about to fail. You don't ask a medical advice from a plumber. He has nothing to give to you. You need to take advice from people that are doing fine in that industry. Now, how can you run my business? Let me show you how you can run my business. The approved seal that we have in my business. Look at the product that we have. We have drinks, we have supplements, skincare, personal care, weight management, and what? And makeup industry for ladies. We have big products. Honey. Now, these are offices around global the world. We have in your country, international office. We have Japan, UK, Mexico, Ireland. We have offices in Brazil. We have Romania. We have Scandinavia. We have in Paraguay. We have in Finland. We have in Turkey. Now look at this. Over 1 million distributors around the global. Look at the office that I cannot show. Look at another area. Whatever has a vertical line of what they have. The person that invited you for this program will give you this link and explain to you more better on how you start. I can see you right. I can't see you are right. Look at what my mentor said. My founder. He said one of the greatest sources of illness in the world is an empty wallet. If you want to decrease the number of people suffering, just give them a chance to have an honest living. Look at the big question. Can you work for me? If you are motivated to be an old-based business, money is there for you. Look at it. How can I join? Look at my office in Nigeria. Look at the marketing plan. When they show me this thing, all the money you are seeing about for top business is plus or minus. When I'm a manager in the business, I'm earning what is more than this. I'm earning one more than this. Now look at this. This is a senior manager. Collecting $1 million is plus or minus. Since when I became manager, I always earn more than $1 million. A starting manager, look at this. My mentor is a Diamond Sapphire manager. For glory of God. He said it took him 10 years to become a Diamond Sapphire manager. 10 years. But now, he has produced more than 7 Sapphire manager. It took him 10 years to become Sapphire manager. Now he's a Diamond Sapphire. He has produced 7 Sapphire manager within 3 years. If you want to run a race, if you run a race for 1 year, you want to show your child, you find a way to show them the lecture period. Now, all the money I measure, let me show you. Look at this. Credit alert. Which date is this? Forever Living product. Look at the amount. Look at the dates. I just show you a few one to tell you for the past 1 year, not earning less than 1 million. A credit alert, another one. 1509, 1.2. Look at another one. This is early this year, 1.4. Look at the date, 13. Another one is the credit alert, 1 million. Which date is this? If you check and check the date very well because of my time, I want to round up within one episode that a lot of people will be able to speak to us. Look at another one again. The one that I collected early this month. 1.3. Forever Living on the 1505 this month. Now look at this one. Some people are ready to help you out. What we are going to teach you is this. Some people complain how to move the product. We have a online base we are going to help you to move that product. If you started with that product, if you kind of person that want to sell, we are going to teach you on how to move that product out. To move the product is not your challenges. We have a system in place to help you out. Look at the smart graduates. He's also a photographer. He's a manager in my business. Look at the smart brothers. When I saw this brother early this year, they started the business. They achieved everything they achieved in this business within shorter period of time because somebody mentored them. Look at this. Undergraduates. Both of them, they are in service now. They are still serving. The guy is in service. He's earning $1 million per month in this industry. This is when I became senior manager. Now, before I call this person, 50 years in service still counting. This is when he became manager. Now, this is one of the, they paid him last year. If you can check it very well, in this level, this Ondo State government, they pay him 60,000 naira per month. When they deduct everything, they make 32,000 naira per month, 27,000. In Forever Living, as at that month, last year September, he's earning 557,000 naira. That's last year. But December, he moved to Millionaires Club member in November. Now look at him. He became a senior manager. Look at what he's earning. Let me show you the last bonus that he received. Look at it. Ondo State, he still remained 29,000. They increased the money by 2,000. Now look at it Forever. They increased over speed. How much is this? 1.1 million naira. Less than 2 years in this industry. Look at another one. 1.1 million naira. Look at the barrister. He's a PS. Doing fine. Mr. Oru. All those people. Now look at this area. This is a Lead City registrar. A doctor of education. And princess. Hairdresser for how many years? Over 10 years. This is another professional. Look at them. These hairdressers are supposed to be the one to be do hair for them. But I love her so much. She's my mother in this business. She did not believe in any limitation. Both of them, they decorate them as a supplier manager together. Look at them. They decorate them in South Africa in front of 190 countries. Original Oyinbo. This guy called me. He said, Mr. Shola, I'm very happy. I'm very proud of my mother. I will make sure I break her record. I said, please do it. When you are doing fine, your children will be proud of you. They will find a way to challenge you. But when the predator is doing funny things, the children will also be doing funny things. Now let's see. A region of a kingdom of King. Look at this woman said, when the decorator is Madam Cynthia, is my mentor too. He said, what an emotional day for me and my husband as we are decorated as a supplier manager in front of 170 countries in Johannesburg, holding in Johannesburg. He said, in my year of banking, the only form of recognition I know was to clap it for one and giving a new target right away. Look at that. Look at what it does not make you smile, change it. Look at all the people that we have. This one is traveling. After you have been my business forever, you travel twice in a year. There's all expense paid trip. At least, let me show you who they make 7 figures in my income in my country. Anybody you see this placard, they earn over $1 million. When you see this placard, that one does not mean that they have million in their account. They earn 1 million naira every month. Over $6,000 every month. Look at my mentor. Look at the chef. When he's still in school, he start earning a million naira. Mr. Defila, $1 million naira. Look at set of people, $1 million naira. Dr. Wale, every month. They are all in our team. Ms. Bobani, $1 million naira. A woman, $1 million naira. Look at listed register and pilots, $1 million naira. Smart nurse, $1 million naira. Kunle, $1 million naira. These two couple, they ask money, they are not hungry. What are they looking for? They said, this guy that run in Kenya, anytime they interview the guy, he said, anytime I think the poverty of the past, I run faster. All these people, they ask money, but they need another source of income. Before they say, plan A. But now, we need plan A to Z to overcome all the challenges. This is when I became Millionaires Club member too. Now, look at the picture of the day. The 3 people that you are seeing, I want to emphasize on them. This hairdresser for 11 years. Former hairdresser for 11 years, earning $1 million per month constantly. A civil servant for 15 years, still counting, is earning $1 million. Active pilot that flying during the day, not during the night, earning $1 million every month. Let's see. This is my first traveling. I travel out of country. My second traveling, third traveling, fourth one, fifth one. By doing what? By doing forever. Look at the amount they pay us. 30 months salary. What is 30 months salary? 30 months salary is a big picture. After you are making money every month, number one, they are still going to pay you share for the company profits. You are still profit. Look at this amount, $4,070. This is where we just come back from Dubai. Look at where we lodge us. They lodge us in this place. What they call this place is JW Marriott Marquez. You know, if you are listening to me from Dubai, you know how much they are renting the hotel. This is where they lodge us. And they did a lot of fun we have in that Dubai together. You know how much they call this hotel? Apart from they will give you ATM to do shopping. All the money they loaded for me, I carry and call Nigeria to come and do another thing. Over 500,000 naira to Nigeria. For a company to shut down this hotel, you know they are financially buoyant. Look at another show. This is where we are going next year. And you can be part of us if you're ready to work smart, not working hard. We are going to Dallas April next year. We are going to Phoenix September next year. This is all the friends that I make: American, Japanese friends, Romanian friend, Italian friend, British friend, Scandinavian friend, Costa Rica, Montenegro. Now, look at where we are going. September this year again. Ship cruise. We have a lot of our team members that qualify. We are going together. You know, when you're doing business, people inside you, all of them, they do it fine. You say go happy. But look at this area now. We are going to ship cruise without pay 10 kobo. 3 countries. Barcelona, Monte Carlo, and Rome. Because of what? And they do forever. Look at Mr. Odokomi. We go ship cruise together. Femi, we go ship cruise together. Look at that person. We are going ship together. Mr. Sukomi, we are going together. Mr. Akeju, we are going together. Kunle, we are going together. Bolade, you see, the guy is in service. He is serve. Now, it's orientation camp. We go together. Look at me. We are going together. Look at where we are going to visit. 3 countries without pay 10 kobo. Now look at another new happy professional. This is when we go to Costa Navarino, Greece. Look at where we go. When I enter my hotel, I give glory to God. I forget everybody that offended me. Look at me catching fun. Look at the hotel. At this corner is my room. Look at my private swimming pool where they lodge me. Look at the Mamalet, a lot of fun we are going to have. Cancun, Mexico. Is that what you want to talk about? Now look at this, a big province share. This is my own, a pilot own, former hairdresser, $8,000 US. Miss Babani, former civil servants, civil workers, $10,000 US. Busy single mom, $4,000 US. Smart nurse, 3,000. Former civil servant, 12. Look at the UK. Look at Liam Oke. Former Cross River governor's wife and the governor himself, 18,000. Mama of 72, $285,000 US. The person on the wheelchair, but the brain is not on the wheelchair. Look at the amount, 7,000. Look at my main mentor, a former vendor. He sold newspaper for 6 years in front of Faisal Grammar School in Akure before he got to know this opportunity. $89,000 US. Look at another one. But look at this one and this year. But in our own Nigeria here, because of our exchange rate, this one is the biggest. $62,000 US. Calculate it in your own currency as Christmas bonus. Apart from the money you are earning every month. Look at the Kim Maxine. He based in UAE. If you are listening to me, UAE, go and look at this. Somebody in your other country, when we met in that place, $689,000 US. Look at the amount. We snap picture when we are coming from South Africa last year. Smart couple, $461,000 US. Look at the Kikeloma Akweji, the same amount. The same, ISNI in Nigeria. Can you see? ISNI in France. ISNI in Italy. Look at this. UK, $1 million US. $1 million US. James Bond of my company, $1.2 million US. Now look at this. Forever always give motto. It's not that they dash motto. You work for it. When you work for it, they will give you qualify for that. Look at what my mentor said. I want to end it before I now call him. He said, if you are comfortable with a miserable income, after being shown a legitimate opportunity to boom, it's because you are lazy and afraid reason-minded. Look at Kikeloma. This is what I'm using now. When I start this industry with my 2 legs, but I'm using Porsche Cayenne. Although it's not a big car, I know a lot of people, they are using it to buy tomato in market. But as a fresh graduate, I get it for free. All FM pay trip. Other benefits of my company, want to become a makeup artist, they will give it to you. Now, don't be a doer, be a thinker. Now, in this area, if you want to start, it depends on area you want to start. We are going to help you, teach you on how to move your products. All this video and show you this is what we have in our country. Now, at this case, I want to call my mentor, the Mr. Tope Akinola, to come and start from where I stopped. He has a lot of things to discuss with us today. He's the person that God used to remove me from statistics of unemployed graduates. When I finish my NYC, I'm looking for what to do. God used him for me to teach me what to do. To teach me what to do to know on how to do this another way around to start this business. Is somebody that God has been using for the past 16 years in this industry. It has helped a lot of people to overcome challenges. My mentor wants to say one or two to us. Please join me as I welcome Mr. Tokpe Akinola. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
We can hear you now, sir.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you, my Honorable Shola, and everyone that is online this evening. We appreciate your time, and God bless all of us. And Almighty God also will support and strengthen our Muslim brothers and sisters as they prepare to go into Ramadan. We appreciate everyone. What we're doing in Life Changing Group is exceptional. It's just that all of us will be financially blessed so that we can kick poverty out of our environment and enjoy the life to the fullest. Because when God designed us, He designed us so that money can be a slave to us, not us to be a slave to money. But when money is controlling us, then people are slave to money. But when you control money, then money is slave to us. The way money is designed, it's actually that money should be a slave to us. Then how can money be a slave to us? We know Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, he said, if you are sleeping and you are not earning money, he said you're going to work until you die. So some of us today, I have only been to Malaysia once in my life, but I'm earning constantly from Malaysia. I've been to US a couple of times, and I'm earning money every time in US, every month. In Canada, and also from Canada. We can actually earn money globally. And that's why we tag this particular webinar, how to earn money globally in every continent on the planet. There's only one continent I've never been to in my life today, and that is Australia. I was raised without spoon in my mouth, from poor background. I sold newspaper for 6 years. I washed car in this Lagos. I've witnessed what they call poverty to the fullest. But I thank God when Forever was shown, when I stumbled on Forever business opportunity, all I did was wait a minute. What is this thing really all about? Am I going to do something different? No. I observed that all I've been doing all my life is the same thing I'm still going to do. I have been recommending things that are good to my friends when I get it. Like currently I'm using Samsung X7. I've got a couple of my friends that are using it too. About 6 of my friends, I recommended it to them. They are using other brands. But guess what? Samsung has not given me 1 naira. And this is exactly what we're doing in Forever. I'm using the product. This is, it's about how to have native intelligence. We know about academic intelligence and we know about financial intelligence. People must learn about financial intelligence. The more reason why people should learn about financial intelligence is simple. You see a lot of people, they are highly learned. They know so much about education and they are financially broke all the time. They are always very broke. And you know some people, they can neither read nor write and they are controlling millions of dollars. That should tell us, like my honorable said the other time, he said there is a science of getting rich. The science of getting rich is very simple. The science of getting rich is what is going to make a common graduate, a graduate that is struggling with life without no work experience in the past, earning over 1 million naira every month. Where some people that are professional, called professional, speaks Queen's English, speaks, a very quality English, and they are very, very broke. They are only getting by. They are living in their shadows. Simple. This opportunity, use the product. It doesn't take a rocket science. There are 7 billion people in the world. Network marketing is the business of the future, and it's future of business. All we just need to do is to build the network. Everything is about network. The life we live is about network. When you go get married, you are networking a woman or you are networking a man. To produce what? To produce children. When you produce children, that is your downlines. The family tree we all came from is network. It's network tree. They call it family tree. If you trace it very well, you already know that it's network that brought you to life. And if we want to go quickly, we can go alone in whatever we are doing. But if you want to go very far in life, you must learn to go together. Teamwork can always make the dream to work. So I want to enjoin us to take this opportunity very serious. I know Pilot is on the line. I know a lot of my colleagues that Almighty God is using today to touch lives of people is on the line. And I want to say this to all of us that are intelligent listeners this evening. If Forever Business should get to come and sell today, like I keep saying, honestly, I'm out of the business. But if it's about being creative, how to touch other people's life, how to make impact, how to help people, health-wise, how to develop people, how to make money globally, how to be in Nigeria in one corner of a room in Omole phase 2, and be making money in Canada, making money in Malaysia, making money in South Africa, making money in the Republic of Ireland, making money in UK, while you are here. I have been earning money in UK ever before I step my feet on UK. What about Ghana? I am from Ghana. Please have an open mind wherever you are there that you're listening. Open mind is what you need to succeed. You have friends. Convert your social capital to financial capital. Don't say it is hard. Anything that is not challenging you cannot make you to grow. Anything that is not going to make you to think will always make you not to be successful in life. Do what is challenging. If you do what is easy, your life is going to be hard. But if you do what is easy, your life is, if you do what is easy, your life is going to be hard. If you do what is hard, your life is going to be easy. So this is a very incredible opportunity. Look at what you're using to listen to me right now. Somebody manufactured it. Now he has made our life easier. We're able to listen to each other now, some in Australia, some in Canada. This is exactly what we're talking about. You know, the world is no longer a global village. It's now a global city. All of us are seated right now. We listen to each other. Why don't you use this kind of medium also and communicate to some of your friends? Oh, friend, I've just joined this great opportunity. I have nothing to lose. Please, can you start using the product? I want us also, all of us, to have good health. Use natural products in your skin. People are dying of cancer now because they are taking chemical foods. They are taking chemical products on their skin on a daily basis. Go natural. Forever products, they are all natural. They help me with my own peptic ulcer. I used to have a very, terrible peptic ulcer. But it's the aloe vera gel that helped me to knock my peptic ulcer off today. And I recommend these products also to women waiting on the Lord. And today they are smiling. And the people with serious arthritis also, people with different form of health challenges, just use the product. And people that also want to feel good, they want to keep diseases or health challenges at bay, just use the product. Nice product. All the product you're using, you don't get paid. When you use Forever product, you get paid. And this I must say, before I hand over to other my colleagues, it's very important that we realize also that we use the product and we get paid. We have nothing to lose. We enjoy the benefits of the product, and the group that you belong to matters. Some people say, oh, I'm doing Forever. Oh, I've done it before. Yes, it's like parenting. Winners don't do different things, they do things differently. In Life Changing Group, we work with you. We ensure that you succeed. We have the formula. I've been doing this business for 16 years. All the mistakes I've made, you don't have to make it, except you want to try making a fresh mistake. I have paid the price, and I wish we're going to do this business together so that we can succeed together. And I want to advise us also that never let someone who has never done anything tell you how to do anything. I repeat that word again. Never let someone who has never done anything successfully tell you to do anything. If you want to seek advice from successful people that are doing the business. Almighty God will help all of us. Don't ever listen to what people are saying. It's expensive, there is recession. When people started shouting recession, myself, in the corner of my house, I decided I'm never going to partake or participate in celebration recession. And I thank God today. So thank you for listening. We respect you and we thank you. I'm going to hand over back to the operator, Mr. Sukomi and Mr. Shola, so that they can invite other colleagues into the opportunity. Thank you, Almighty God. We honor you. Thank you. Take advantage of the business. The moment we conclude this training, go online, speak with the person that have invited you, start with member of Life Changing Group, and your life is going to change. We are going to be able to change other people's life. Thank you so much. God bless you.
God bless you. God bless you, my mentor. Honestly, I'm very happy for you to contribute to the training we are doing this night. I learned a new thing now. If you are Don't ever ask anybody that never done anything successful what you are going to do. Now, the next person I'm going to call to share a testimony is a female pilot. The first female pilot in Akwa Ibom is Pilot Enaro. Pilot Enaro, please, are you online? Hello, ma. Hello, you're on now. Pilot, okay. Miss Enaro.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Good evening, everyone.
Yes. You're on now.
Thanks for listening in. Okay. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you, Shola, for your presentation, and thank you, Mr. Tokwe, for your words. Yes, Shola has said it all. There's nothing more to add except my personal experience with this opportunity. I joined this business and it has changed my life. My health is better. My finances are better. One experience I used to have with my job is that everybody just thinks because you're a pilot, therefore it's your responsibility to, everybody in the whole world is supposed to partake of your salary. So, but you know, it's a salary. It will, once it comes, it's boom, 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 boom. Everybody's timing you on your payday with plenty stories. You know, they would go through my parents, all kinds of stories. But thankfully, and of course, the money was never enough. But this opportunity has given me a chance to be able to get people who are sincerely hardworking to be able to earn a living with the great support of this wonderful team, LCG, be able to earn a proper living with forever and even earn more than me. You know, which is a beautiful thing. Every mother wants their child to be taller than them. So that has been one really, really good relief that Forever has given me, to be able to have not just giving people, empowering people that they can become successful themselves and be off your back, and also be able to even take care of other people. It's an amazing thing. The trips are out of this world. Wow. They're out of this world. I mean, you can afford to. I was telling my team today, you do a normal business, you make money, you now take that money, and part of that money, take your family on a vacation. But with Forever, you do the same work, earn money. Forever will now reward you for making money by sending you on a free vacation. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. Plus money to spend. And you're not going to go squat in a B&B or in a relative's place. You're going to a 7-star, man, correct places that you've not heard of, Costa Navarino, you know, places like that. Barcelona, Monte Carlo, Roma, you know, lovely places you wouldn't really think about. It's you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. We can help a lot of people suffering in pain, you know, even if you think about that, relief. Products are expensive, but products work. So why not? So I'm really grateful for this opportunity. I thank God every day. The only regret is maybe not knowing it earlier, but it's just been a wonderful experience. My mother is going to be 80 this year. It's as if she's getting younger and younger. She's doing this business. She's happy. She's fresher, you know. She's busy. She's excited. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Like they say, if you give me a chance, I'll talk on and on and on. Let me let other people talk. God bless you. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.
God bless you, ma. I really appreciate you for your contribution. So the last person I'm going to call before we finish for this night, we'll go round up for this night, is somebody that Mr. Akeju. It has been in service for over 15 years. And compared to what is earning in Forever Living within 2 years. Please, Mr. Akeju, are you on? Please, I want you to come just share your testimony in brief, very brief. Less than 5 minutes. Hello? Mr. Akeju, are you on? Okay.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I'm here. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Our mentor, Dr. Kinala.
See that Mr. Akeju has a network issue in where he is. So now, I don't know whether Miss Bobani is online. to just share his testimony. It's my mother in the business, one of the person that God used for me to remove from unemployed graduates. Miss Babani, are you on? Hello, ma.
Good evening, everyone.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello, I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, you're online.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. My name is Babani. Can you hear me? Hello.
Continue, ma. Continue,
okay.
Ma.
I want to appreciate God. I want to thank God for life changing. I want to thank God for the comment. I want to thank God an organization for 60 years, and the highest I've ever got was and somebody introduced me to Forever Opportunity. It has transformed my life. It has transformed everything about me. I want to appreciate God, and I want to say for everybody that is online from different countries, America, wherever we are, just for us to have an open mind. Something I've learned from life-changing book is that life is about all I request of us this evening is have an open mind, get in contact with the person that has invited you, and the person will teach you how to build this business. God bless us.
God bless you, ma. We appreciate every one of us for the time we have just spent. Let's try and meet who sent this video to us and ask them a question. How can I succeed? Ask the person to show you all the methods to succeed. And if you are in Nigeria, especially you are in Lagos, you can come for our training at LCG Academy on Monday. Ask the person, how can you come for that LCG Academy? God bless you. Have a wonderful night rest. If you're not in Nigeria, enjoy your rest of your day. Bye.